competitive landscape and what your competitors are offering. This can help you identify opportunities to differentiate your product and establish a unique selling proposition. 4. Conducting trend research. Keeping up with trends can help ensure that the final product is relevant and attractive to the audience. Researching current fads and emerging trends in your industry and be a source of valuable inspiration. 5. Focusing on the core message. It is important to develop a clear, consistent message that resonates with your target audience. This ensures that your creative vision is well articulated and that the final product communicates the desired message. Examples of concept development. To develop a better understanding of concept development, here are some examples from different industries. 1. Apple Incorporated. Apple is known for its unique and innovative products, from iPhone to Apple Watch. Concept development is an essential part of their creative process, driving them to create aesthetical, brilliant products that resonate with their loyal customer base. 2. Nike. Nike's concept development process involves creating ideas that resonate with their audience and then refining them to create products that appeal and carve a unique identity. This process ensures Nike's products stand out in the crowded market. 3. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has a unique concept development process, which is central to its enduring status as one of the world's most recognized brands. Their focus on visual branding, including their distinctive bottle shape and red color, is an excellent example of how an effective concept can become iconic. 4. Netflix. Netflix has become a popular streaming platform with millions of subscribers worldwide. Their innovative concept of creating an extensive library of media content and introducing a subscription model that enables access to that content has been instrumental in the brand's success. It is important to note that concept development is not a linear process. Instead, it involves iterative steps that are repeated until a suitable concept is achieved. The process also involves collaboration and sharing ideas with others, as this could lead to new insights and perspectives that can improve the final product. Furthermore, concept development can be applied in different industries, from advertising to architecture, software development to filmmaking. It is a flexible and adaptable process that can help creatives in any field develop their ideas and bring them to life. In summary, concept development is a crucial part of the creative process that can lead to innovative and successful products. It involves identifying the challenge, defining the audience, brainstorming ideas, refining concepts, and selecting the most appropriate one. By following this process, creatives can produce unique and impactful products that resonate with their target audience and stand out in the market. Additionally, concept development also helps creatives to stay focused on the goals and objectives of their project. With a clear understanding of their audience and the problem they need to solve, they are better equipped to create a product that meets the needs of their target audience. Another benefit of concept development is that it encourages free thinking and fosters creativity. Brainstorming sessions and ideation stages allow creatives to explore new ideas and approaches that they may not have thought of otherwise. They can challenge themselves and each other to come up with unique and innovative concepts that push the boundaries of what is possible. Moreover, concept development can also save time and resources in the long run. By eliminating ideas that are not feasible or do not meet the project goals, creatives can focus their efforts on developing the most viable concepts. This helps to streamline the process and ensures that the final product is delivered on time and within budget.